Donna never wanted to bother you. I wanted to let the sleeping dog lie. But as you can see, I am broke. I need money.
How is that my business?
It's your business because you owe me. You made away with the old money we got from the last business just to resurface back as a successful philanthropist and a businessman.
I don't owe you. We did business. I give you 10 million naira. Your share.
Wait a minute, you gave me 10 million naira from how much?
We made a paltry 100 million. I give you 10 million. Your share.
Don, you were a thief. The old money was 450 million. And you dropped just 10 million naira for me out of that amount. Wait, come to think of it. What happens to Nick's and Ago's share?
None of your business. The business was all my idea. I was the brain behind that business. I worked out the logistics, the entire planning was all me. So I get to decide who gets what. I gave you your share. Are you dare to show up here and ask me for money?
I need 30 million.
And what happens if you don't get it?
If I don't get it, you won't like it.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.